AR aging provides a snapshot of outstanding customer balances organized by how long invoices have been unpaid. It helps teams quickly identify overdue accounts, assess risk, and stay on top of collections and cash flow. AR aging brings structure to receivables by clearly showing how long balances have been outstanding, helping you focus on collection efforts. It helps accounting teams verify receivable accuracy and understand how open invoices impact upcoming cash flow. To access the aging report, you'll click on the aging report icon from the left-hand menu. Once you're in the aging report, select the date that you want to run the report for. The aging report updates instantly. Choose any day, past, present, or future, and see the details for that day. For example, I'm going to run my aging report as of the end of December. After retrieving my results, balances will be shown for the selected date, excluding any later activity. Results are summarized per customer with options to view details of individual invoices. The aging breakdown is driven by your aging configuration in Company Admin. When aging is based on the due date, the current column shows invoices not yet past due. When aging starts from the invoice date, there's no current column because invoices age right away. This affects how invoices are grouped in the aging report. Selecting a customer displays the invoices that make up their balance. From the three-dot menu, you can open the View Invoice window to see detailed invoice information. To support on-screen reconciliation, you can use the checkboxes on the left to select rows and view totals for the selected balances. Selecting all rows allows you to see the full aging balance for the entire report. You can also select specific customers to see totals for just those balances, which will calculate automatically at the bottom. Finally, you can use Download Spreadsheet to export the aging information out of the system. The Download Spreadsheet option exports all data shown in the grid at the customer summary level. Individual invoice level aging details are not included in this export, as the invoice register can be used for exporting invoice details. The aging report helps you match receivable balances with your subledgers and AR general ledger account. Using the AR aging report regularly helps teams stay on top of collections, verify receivable balances are accurate, and better understand how outstanding invoices affect cash flow. Thank you for watching. Start using the AR aging report today to enhance your financial management. Feel free to contact our team with any questions or scan the QR code to learn more.